Welcome to Kantisar International Day. We start the tour by praying to Goddess Saraswati. School is self-sufficient with its own transport system. As rightly said, our children, when they enter, where the children walk in line and these are the classes for them, as they wish. We have climbed from the ramp, which is specially designed for specially able children, and we have a lift facility for the children with special needs to move up and down. The purpose of the boards to be on the lower area is that children can scribble, learn and play. The idea was set by our principal, who thought that children should have access to their boards. Board should not be a place for display, but they should be able to write. So this is what the concept is, and truly speaking, our children do take care of the boards. They make different things, they put it themselves and teacher helps them. We have a primitive bell system also, which our small kids enjoy when they hear it. And we have a digital bell also in the campus. Now we are moving to the learning planets, gymnastic area where the children learn agility, or you can say flexibility, and they learn to grow along. She is our PT instructor, Jyoti Tiwari, and a national level gymnast. School is properly equipped with the fire and safety measures. Proper drain system, fire fighting equipments, everything is in order. This is the indoor game area. We have table tennis, chess, carom board, skating area, and even darts. You can see we have separate washroom for girls and boys. Entering the computer lab. It also helps us to conduct works for lab studies through the earphone and the laptops. We have 40 laptops so that 40 children can study at a time. Now we would be entering the library. We have a full equipped library and a qualified librarian. She is Masters in Library Science. We have a seating arrangement for 40 students at a time, so they can come and enjoy the books of various levels. It has comics, magazines, storybooks, subject-related books, reference books, and many more. We are moving towards infirmary room. We have Dr. Purvi Mukherjee. Now, whenever there is a emergency, our school is equipped to give them the first aid lab. Basically, smaller children are very comfortable coming to composite lab because they have EVS and science. It's not classified into physics, chemistry or biology, but they enjoy coming here and doing experiments on their own. Where CIS News, an exam strong room, there is no entry for anyone except those who are authorized for a display room for the files for inspection. We have the original 1 to 67 files which was required for CBSE inspection. Foyer of the school, entry of the school, and these are the associates. We have a special wing for guidance and counseling, and we have a qualified wellness educator. Children who require professional help, entering the staff room is for the teachers when they are not teaching and they are working. Here we have our headmistress and we have our teachers, and also we have our special educator who is working on the file. This is our CIS art studio. The walls are painted by our CIS scholars. The students were so enthusiastic when sir decided that we should go for painting on the walls. Have a traditional seating arrangement for painting. It is believed that children can be at ease when they are painting. These are the higher classes, same like other classes. It's equipped with softboard and digital learning. As you can see, these boards are on the have their morning prayer. This is the biology lab, which is well equipped with all the things required for the experiments. We have 2 teachers here who teach biology. We are entering chemistry lab. Our chemistry lab is completely equipped with all the apparatuses and chemicals, and these are our 2 chemistry teachers. Now we are entering physics lab. As you can see that we are very well equipped with all the instruments and gadgets required for the physics experiments. Now we'll be entering our manager.